Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Steam on your Mac. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type in Steam. The top link should be the official Steam website, which looks something like this. But just in case, I've also included a link in the description below this video. Now, assuming you don't already have a Steam account, you'll want to create one. This will make the whole process much smoother. To do this, click on the login link in the top right corner of the Steam website. On the login page, scroll down a bit and click on Create an Account. Follow the step-by-step instructions to set up your Steam account. Alright, once you've successfully created your account, it's time to download Steam. Look for the Install Steam button at the top of the website and click on it. Then click on the Install Steam button again, making sure it's the one next to the Apple logo. This will download the Steam installer to your Mac. I'm going to download it to my desktop, just for easy access. Okay, now that the installer is downloaded, go ahead and open it. You'll see a little pop-up window. Just drag and drop the Steam logo into your Applications folder. Great. Once you've done that, you can close the pop-up window and even delete the installer, since you no longer need it. Steam is now successfully installed on your Mac. To open it, just find Steam in your Applications folder and launch it. You might see a message saying it was downloaded from the internet. Just click Open. Steam should now be running. You might already be signed in, but if not, just click on the Login button in the top left and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, head over to your library, and you can start installing all your favorite Steam games. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.